Hey, it's Chelsea, aka HerTruestForm, coming to you with another video. In this video, I'll show you how I do my two-step Aphogee protein treatment. We're going to start off by rinsing the hair very thoroughly. Make sure to rinse long enough to get all product residue out of your head. Now I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil shampoo. Next, I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to detangle. I'm going to take my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush to further detangle my hair. Just to be clear, there was no hair shed that I saw with my wide tooth comb, and there was very minimum hair shedding with this Felicia Leatherwood. Awesome! Once your hair is completely rinsed of the shampoo, you just want to use a towel to dry it to prep for the protein treatment. As you can see, I am shaking this up, but not vigorously, but just enough to get things loosened up. So you want to apply enough to saturate your hair completely. And yes, it does suds a little bit. The first time I used it, I thought I actually left some shampoo in, but it turns out that it does that automatically. The next step is to use a hooded dryer or a handheld dryer to completely dry your hair, and it will be brick hard. You do not want to touch it or rinse it vigorously at this point. It will break your hair off. So the next step is the balancing moisturizer. This restores your hair back to normalcy, and it kind of smells like men's cologne. After rinsing out the balancing moisturizer after about 2 minutes, the next step for me is deep conditioning, and this time I'm going to use my TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Thanks so much for watching. See me later. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Any comments that you leave are very helpful. Thanks for watching.